I am a registered sex offender. I stuck my dick into a blender. Your mom is a transgender. I am a professional nude sender. You know that I be dominating. My cock and balls are rotating. Ice on my wrist, I could go skating between thick thighs and suffocating. I have a huge fucking cock. I nut inside my sock. I walk around in Crocs while my dick is harder than a rock. I fuck bitches in school, cause you know I'm fucking cool. I jump inside my pool. I take a hit from my jewel. I don't actually smoke, but I make your bitch choke. Once I give someone a stroke, my cock is hard like oak. You know I'm dropping fire. You can sing my songs in the choir. They call me Quagmire. No they don't, but at least it rhymes. Hey! Alright everyone, sing along for this next part.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Oh. Inside your mom. Yeah! Hey!
Shut your bitch ass up!
I nutted inside your mom. Woo! Alright, here we go.
It's your mom, summer.
Winzip, I love you so much.
Hey, you know I love being a sexist. I eat pussy for breakfast. Ice on my necklace. I had sex with my dentist. My fan base is getting bigger. Your hoe is a gold digger. I wear a Tommy Hilfiger while I pull on the trigger. Whoa, that was risky. My bitch just turned 60. She knows cum is sticky, but her pussy is